Toby the Turtle was ready for school. But oh no, he looked down and gasped. One of his shoes was gone. He looked under his bed and in the toy box. He even checked the fridge, just in case. But there was no shoe anywhere. I need help, Toby cried. Just then, flip, flop, flip, Detective Mo, the monkey, swung in on a vine. Don't worry, Toby. I'm on the case. Mo looked for clues. I see tiny crumbs, a feather, and this string. Just then, Ellie the Elephant trumpeted. Wait! I heard Pip the parrot flying around with something shiny earlier. They all rushed outside, and there was Pip sitting on a branch with Toby's shoe in his beak. Pip, that's not your toy, Ellie said. Not your toy, Pip squawked, dropping the shoe gently. Toby! Toby is smiling. Thank you, Detective Mo. Mo grinned. Case closed. And Pip, no more plain dress-up with turtle shoes. Everyone laughed. Even Pip. Thanks for watching.